Ever had your backpacking food turn into a chaotic mess? Picture this. You're on the trail, you open your backpack, and instead of neatly organized meals, you find a disaster similar to a bursting suitcase on an airport carousel. Today, we're going to delve into the art of safeguarding your backpacking food, a topic that, while often overlooked, is crucial for a successful journey. Consider the unfortunate hikers who, in a bid to save some bucks, pack their food in thin plastic bags sealed with twist ties. The result? A culinary catastrophe. Powdered milk, pancake mix, sugar, crushed crackers, and peanut butter merged into a gooey mess. Luckily, they stowed their food bags in a nylon duffel, rescuing them from a backcountry crisis. So how can you avoid a similar scenario? Let's start with the right equipment. Sturdy zipper lock bags are your best friend. Opt for the heavier-duty freezer weight styles and don't forget the Ride-On strip for labeling. For homemade energy bars or small amounts of liquids, a vacuum sealer comes in handy. Lexin bottles are perfect for strong-flavored liquids, while old prescription vials can hold gooey mustards. And don't forget a cracker protector like an empty Pringles can to prevent your crackers from turning into crumbs. Packing techniques are equally important. Remove excess packaging or buy in bulk to save space and weight. Use the twist and tie method for different ingredients going into the same pot at different times. Label cooking directions on your bags or include a slip of paper in each meal bag. Pack each meal into its own bag, pre-planning and measuring complete meals at home. A lightweight nylon duffel can protect your meals from cuts and punctures inside the backpack. When loading your pack, position the food at shoulder blade level or higher for maintained trails, or slightly lower for off-trail excursions. Cheeses and perishables should be placed deep in the pack to stay cool, and bare canisters can provide balance and cooling. Securing your pack provisions is not just about organization, it's about ensuring that your meals remain intact and enjoyable throughout your journey. By investing time and attention into your food packaging, you can savor the outdoor experience without the worry of a backpacking mishap. So, before you set off on your next adventure, remember, a well-packed backpack is the secret ingredient to a successful trip.